Are the Huawei MateView GT good? It is certainly excellent value for money. The sound quality of the impressive-looking soundbar is also disappointing. The Huawei MateView GT has exploded into the slightly stale PC monitor market with a big bang. This 34-inch ultra-wide gaming panel isn't perfect. It doesn't seem to be terribly innovative, but it makes other monitors look cheap and lazy in some ways. For example, a 34-inch curved monitor with 3440 by 1440 pixels, 165 Hz refresh and USB-C connectivity with device charging, note the charging power is limited to 10 watts, is a very attractive package on paper. Moreover, it has an attractive price tag of $499, £499, approximately $700 Australian dollars. Okay, it lacks some advanced features such as full array local dimming, and HDR performance is limited. But monitors with advanced features are significantly more expensive. As an alternative, what the Huawei MateView GT offers that few other monitors can match is its outstanding industrial design and exemplary build quality. It truly looks and feels like $1 million. There is also a satisfactory height adjustment of the stand. In certain segments of the market, such as smartphones and laptops, premium build quality has become a distinct selling point. This is not true for monitors, which are generally plasticky and dated. It is very neatly done, but it is a pity and quite a surprise that the quality of the sound is so poor. As for what any monitor is ultimately all about, image quality, this is a mixed bag. On the other hand, the display's pixel response is mediocre, as indicated by the 4 milliseconds claimed response time. Huawei has included several levels of user-configurable overdrive in the MateView GT's OSD menu. The pixel response isn't that good even with full reheat, while overshoot becomes increasingly problematic. The arbitrary test images are not indicative of the actual experience in-game. And the 3440 by 1440 resolution is certainly a perfect compromise between speed and graphic detail. The 34-inch curved form factor is also incredibly pleasing, providing a fantastically immersive experience in everything from epic adventure games like Witcher 3 to graphics-intensive driving games like the Forza series. In light of this, the Huawei MateView GT is rather amazing, albeit a little flawed. For the money, its combination of curved 1440p ultra-wide 165 Hz gaming with relatively impressive engineering and design is certainly something special. But niggles such as poor audio quality, unsatisfactory pixel response, and limited USB-C charging power prevent it from being a complete winner.